For step-by-step instructions on how you can start your own private driving service in the state of California. Every step is crucial for operating legally and protecting yourself and your clients. We will cover the California laws and processes, solo owner operators using an LLC, so you know exactly what to do next. Note, if you operate outside of California, your state or country will have different rules, fees, and agencies. Always research your local requirements via Google, states' websites, ChatGPT, so you know everything that is involved. You can always copy the steps that I'm explaining to you about California, and in this video, copy and paste them into Google or ChatGPT and ask them or it to give you what you need to do for a similar license in your state or country. Quick walkthrough of the main steps covered in this module. Number 1, form your business LLC in California, lesson 5.1. Number 2, acquire and register your vehicle properly, lesson 5.2. Number 3, obtain your DMV driving record, lesson 5.2. Number 4, secure mandatory commercial auto insurance, lesson 5.3. Number 5, obtain your CPUC Transportation Charter Permit, TCP, lesson 5.4. Number 6, complete driver requirements, license, background, drug tests, lesson 5.5. Number 7, avoid common legal pitfalls, lesson 5.6. Let's go over some of the key terms from this module so it's a little bit easier for you to understand. Driver for hire. This is the key term you're looking for when researching on Google. Type the following for your state and city. How to become a driver for hire in Los Angeles. Private driving license. Another term to search for is private driving license in Los Angeles or private driver for hire license in California. Luxury limo license or chauffeur license. In some areas, searching for luxury limo license or chauffeur license can provide relevant information. To legally drive a luxury limousine for hire, most states require a chauffeur license, and in some cases, a commercial driver's license, CDL, depending on the passenger's capacity, meaning how many passengers are you going to be taking. In California, a CDL is required if you're taking more than 10 passengers, and that includes the driver. A Transportation Charter Permit, TCP, also known as Charter Party Carrier. License is required for businesses that are going to charter vehicles in California that transfer passengers based on a pre-arranged fee that will be covered over distance and miles. So basically, if you're going to charge people, you got to get this permit. CPUC issues these licenses. CPUC, California Public Utilities Commission. CPUC sets the policy and rules for regulated utility services that are essential to modern life for all Californians. CPUC's mission is to ensure safe, reliable, and affordable utility services. Now pay attention to this. These are real-world CPUC cases that got certain drivers in trouble. Number 1, Diamond Limousine and Sedan Service. Stopped by CPUC/CHP while carrying passengers without a valid TCP authority. Penalty, $5,000 fine, and the vehicle was impounded for 30 days. Now, the reason why I'm giving you these two examples are, it is extremely important if you are going to be doing this to get your commercial auto insurance and follow all the steps and save the penalties and the fines because it's not worth it. Second Chance Shuttles LLC, Sacramento/Elk Grove, TCP status revoked. August 23, joint sting with CHP, van caught transporting 13 passengers to Stockton for a $250 per month shuttle run. Violations: operating without authority, using a driver without a correct CDL endorsement. Penalty: $4,000 fine. After previous $8,000 and $2,000 citations, and the van was impounded for 30 days under vehicle code. Why this matters? Look, operating under the radar does sound pretty cool and tempting, but the CPU's team and the CHP often work together, and they go undercover and they nail drivers that don't have the proper permits and licenses and auto insurances or commercial auto insurances. And this is why I put this right at the beginning of this particular video. It is very important to have this. If they stop you without having the proper TCP permit, the fines commonly start at around $2,000 and they can go almost up to $8,000 per incident. Your vehicle can be towed and stored for up to 30 days, and you are responsible for all the fees and the storage fees and the towing fees. Repeated violations risk criminal charges and permanent revocation of any future operating authority. The bottom line: wait until you get your TCP permit and the proper license in order to start taking customers or passengers on paid trips. The quick cash that you get from taking passengers without the proper permit, in the long run, it's just not worth it. Thousands of dollars in fines, you can lose your car for 30 days, and that's not the way you want to start a brand new business. This is why you bought the course, so you can understand exactly what are the proper steps and the proper things to do in order for you to start your own rideshare business.